Well, I pushed the table close to my window so that it would be covered with a little bit of an overhang. Keep these guys dry. And then I put the bird seed and the squirrel feed. That rhymes, could write a poem with that. Way back up against the window so it's not raining on that part exactly. And so this squirrel got really smart and he's all the way to the edge. They're so used to me being in here moving around, they don't run anymore. But he's enjoying himself. Takes a bite, watches around, sees what's going on in town. Yeah, he's not worried about me at all.